Joining after such a nice lunch and we are all relaxed. And how many of you made money in a casino? Can you please raise hands? How many of you made money playing gambling in a casino? How many of you lost money playing in a casino? Thank you. You're all our customers. So that's where I belong. The money you lost belong to my industry. I work for a company called What Happened? What Happened? My friends, there is screensaver activated on this. Somebody technical? What's happening? So that's where we deal with. This is called destiny, and we make money out of it. I work for a company called International Game Technology, which builds slot machines. When we build slot machines, you all play and you lose money. You make money. Let me correct it officially. So all that industry is a very complicated industry. International Game Technology is a company which built one of the first slot machines, most innovative, and then we have digitized over years, and they're very different. We call the slot machines as electronic gaming machines. And the best part is there's no browser on it. You want to run your automation, it's very difficult. You cannot like keep doing anything, so you can't keep playing and you lose money. So now the complexity of an organization, I want to talk about that. Our company got acquired by another company called GTech, which is Europe based. They are big into lottery and we are big into gaming machines. Now when that acquisition happens, which is a standard thing that keeps happening in the Silicon Valley and everywhere, nothing is the same. First problem we have is people. We don't want to change. I want to use my quality center, one company says. Other company says, I have all my data in Jira, I don't want to change. I want to use the same system I used. Changing process is not easy. You tell them this is the most efficient way, that doesn't work. We have been doing that way. So we have a lot of complex problems to deal with. First is a company, it's a leading company. And then we had DevOps at IGT. I come from IGT. Yeah, there are multiple teams using Jira, there are multiple teams using ALM. Across the board, we had to integrate. When these two companies joined, it became an integrated company. And it's not an easy game. The beauty of this is, the complexity is, people are at silos, they are doing their own things. Some instances are sitting somewhere, they are paying their own licenses. We don't even know. Somebody is sitting in East Coast, somebody is in West Coast, somebody in China, somebody in Italy. Very familiar. Every organization goes through that. And every organization wants to reduce the cost. Everybody wants to save money. And everybody, they want more collaboration. They talk about all these things, the beautiful things that are put on executive slides and MBOs. They're paid on it, and the executive gets paid on all these for global user base. By the way, I play the role of a director of automation. I support a footprint of approximately 10,000 users across the globe for the Jira instances. That's just one part of my job. Other parts of my job includes in-house, because none of the automation works. We create more than 1,200 in-house tools. Why you need each of them is an automation tool. You have, for example, you have QTP. I have equivalent of 300 equivalents of QTPs. You talk about load runner, I have 20 variations of load runners built in-house. And I have a development team that is sitting within the testing organization building these complex scenarios. Why can't you use something offshore? Why can't you use something that's available? It's impossible. Electronic gaming machine is a very highly regulated machine. Your slot machine is tested so much you cannot believe. Because if there is a bug in our industry, it costs $1 million minimum. Naturally, you go to slot machine, every 100 people, first 100 people pressing the button, they start getting mega jackpot, we go bankrupt, right? So we want to make sure slot machines are working as expected with the randomness. So a lot of aggressive testing happens. Compliance, government regulations happen. So it's a very complicated and a very interesting industry. In that industry, we have a problem. Now because of the integration, my team, they have asked me, okay, now the integration is going to happen. Okay, how many people we are going to support? 4,000 users to start with, and we have a very simple goal. The simple goal is always 15-minute meeting. All the simple great tasks given to you in 15 minutes. Vice President calls you in a room and he says, now both the companies are listing, you are in charge of this, make sure everybody is working together. You know, some teams are testing there, some teams are testing. I know it takes time. It's okay, make it happen. I know it takes time, and what it takes time, the integration has to happen. The teams need to talk to each other, they need to collaborate, which is a big challenge. The tools need to be compatible or shared, processes, and then there are companies need to talk, workflows, data, whatnot. And the locations are very global. And my day to schedule is morning 5 o'clock, I wake up, I'm already talking to my Canada customers and teams. Before I sleep, middle of the night, 11:30, I get up and talk to my team. So it's a round the clock business. And this is 24/7 operation. Not that you are supported, you have to make sure these things are seamlessly happening. Very familiar so far, any questions? This is the complexity. And the complexity is people complexity, technology complexity, time zone complexity, understanding complexity. It is as beautiful as getting married. So, wife and husband having a conflict, right? It's a complex organization, just a misunderstanding. So every time wife gets stressed, she starts smiling and she's all right. The husband is getting very angry, he's taking few days to get over the anger. He asks her, what's your secret? Every time we are fighting, you're smiling and you're fine the next day. That's incredible. And I'm getting worked up. How do you manage that? She said, very simple. Whenever I'm stressed out, I go to the restroom and I clean the toilet. Simple. What do you clean the toilet? No, I clean the toilet. How do you do that? I just use your toothbrush. That makes me very relaxed, you know. Complex organizations, you can't do that. So in complex organization, why you can't do that? Everything you do, every toothbrush you pick, every time you pick, it is logged. In Jira, you do some activity, it's all logged. Every activity, login, access, passwords, logged. And in our system, in our company, it's more. Long ago, I don't want to mention name, one company released a game. The game is very interesting game. There are two lights glowing, three circles. Ting, light, ting, light. If you guess certain rhythm and you press a button when they come together, you can't guess in advance, but there are like many lights and all that. You press exactly at that moment, you win some money. So they released to the market Vegas. Immediately, there were calls from casinos to the makers of the company. They said, bloody hell, we lost, in 1 hour, we approximately lost $60,000 on all the machines. And within hours, people are losing money, and they're shocked, and they wanted to watch before shutting down. They have an ability to shut down. When you're playing, they can't let you go, but if somebody steps aside, they can shut it down. They said, what happened? In Vegas, the players are extremely smart. They found a rhythm, they're counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, a certain rhythm, tuck. They move their hand and leg, and they're pressing the button. They found a rhythmic pattern only human mind can catch. None of your automation things or testing can catch. They found the rhythm in Vegas, and they keep pressing that, and it keeps giving money, showering money. They shut it down and huge loss. How do you overcome situations like that? How do you test situations like that? That complexity involves understanding technologies and also coming up with innovative solutions. You cannot be testing it using a regular solution off the shelf. We had to design an internal robot that does it, a very advanced robot. We have patents, and then we filed a patent, so I can't reveal it yet, but such solutions are necessary. So when we had this particular challenge, there are a lot of challenges enterprise-wise. One is there's no information sharing. We had to do that naturally, and there's no visibility in the process. Global teams cannot work together. Oh, I hate that woman. She can't even talk to me. Oh, that guy is very arrogant. I'm not going to work with him. I don't want to talk to him on a day-to-day basis. What are your test cases? And what has to happen is not easy either. The machines are at one place, let's say US. The testing needs to be done. Some of the testing needs to be done in Canada. Test cases are written in China, and we can't ship the machines to China because China doesn't allow gambling regulatory. You can't ship them there. So they write test cases. These guys do testing. Some other guys in Canada will do automation. And probably the management is thinking, probably, oh, this is the best way to do, most efficient way of doing it. The worst part is, how do these people coordinate, collaborate, and agree upon? So that's a problem. So we decided a simple solution. There are many complex problems we solve, but today, in the context of Atlassian conference, since we are talking about open source, there are many wonderful solutions out here. We tried some of them. We love everybody's actually walked a lot of the booths and talked to the solutions. It's amazing how much we don't know. It's amazing how much we don't know. It's amazing each of these people, how much effort they put in and how many nights engineers spend time to build those. Actually, one request on behalf of everybody on the floor is spend 2 minutes, just not collect your bag or t-shirt, spend 2 minutes to understand and really ask questions. Ask questions until they cannot answer. Definitely do that. Somewhere it will be useful to you. Somewhere the solution will be applicable to you. Somewhere you listen to it. Somewhere you're sitting under the tree, apple falls, everybody is eating apple and you are the Newton. You discovered gravity. Somewhere it will click for you. So we decided to ConnectALL. So one fine day, I was sitting under a tree, apple tree, and I found that my apple. ConnectALL is my apple today. So that solved the problem. And we made best use of it. So I know I worked in HP. HP has a lot of advantages. Test case support. We have a lot of automation that is actually built into HPA, and we can actually click a button and the script triggers on and the game tests are run and we are getting all the solution. Casino management. So there's a lot of efficiency there. There are some of the reportings and charts. The people are there. And then there is Jira. Of course, the other side of the company they are using it. They both need to talk. How many of you saw the movie Hitchhiker's Guide to Galaxy? Please raise your hand. Beautiful. How many of you remember the word babelfish? So isn't that a beautiful word and isn't it a beautiful concept? One day in this universe, somebody will discover equivalent of it. We are almost there. There will be one device. Those of you who don't know, you talk one language, the babelfish, if you put in your ear, it will translate in the language you belong. So it knows how to translate. So we found our babelfish. I apologize to go to group for comparing it with babelfish, but the idea is to convey the users what a miracle it is doing. Babelfish is one of the most beautiful hypothetical concepts. It entered into Oxford Dictionary after that movie. It can translate one language to the other. These are two different languages. HP different language. It won't listen to you. You can't flexibly go hack into its code like that way you do with Jira. Yes, it has its advantages. This has its own advantages. Everything has their own challenges. So when they started talking, we put it in together. It became very easy. It became a hybrid solution, and they started talking. Test cases here can flow to the other side. The results can flow from this side. Everybody's in their own world comfortable, and they're very, very happy. Everything is excellent. The the best thing is, I just want to add a small thing here. If it is a cube, it's very difficult to move it. If it's a sphere, you are moving fast. The solution to complexity is simplicity. I asked myself one question as a kid. Why in this universe, there are a lot of planets and stars and all that. Most of them are spherical. Later I found, when I reached probably 6th grade, they said because of the minimum surface area. Being a sphere, it saves energy. Being flexible, you become agile. The same thing applies in your life and your organization. You're simple, life easy. You're complex, it becomes difficult. We created a solution. Does it work in Hebrew? Does it work in right-left languages? Can I also use it on Chrome as well as Mozilla, as well as this? As you add complexity, it becomes difficult. Go with the minimum possible result first. They call it low-hanging fruit. So our low-hanging fruit, very easily achieved. We put together and we moved on. And it became a very beautiful integrated strategy. We had a grand success story. People are running the solutions. We are all happy. You might wonder, what is this slide about? They told me in Atlassian conference, unless you put a slide like this, it will not be attractive. Something looking good, jazzy. There's nothing. We just integrated it. I just made it. That's all. Then we got the very good results after integrating ConnectALL. What are the results we got? We got implementation happened very easily. We could map process to process, workflow to workflow. We could map authentication, which is very important. I don't want my data to be seen by that manager. But definitely, that manager will never see your data. It's possible. It became possible. A lot of complex political issues were solved, and there was one team which competes with my work, came up with a nice solution. How about we build a solution that will integrate these two? How do you do that? Oh, both of the solutions, HP as well as Jira, must be going into some kind of database. We will write mapping. I said, you're going to retire rest of your life. You're going to spend 7 years writing your own solutions. It is not efficient to keep writing your own solution every time. Come on, be open-minded and be open-sourced and get somebody put an effort, and then it's much more easier. Probably you're spending a couple of $100 there, but when you write it, you're going to spend thousands of dollars and you're solving the complexity. Not everything can be built by us. And sometimes when you build something like that, I have seen projects, fancy projects, you have a Ferrari, and most of the time, and it is pulled by a bullock cart. Why do you have a Ferrari? You have a Ferrari. Oh, we have a front end that is very efficient. The front end is damn slow and it's ineffective. Its performance is low. It's not designed keeping in UI and UX in mind. Some idiot designs it and uses it. You have to tell, sorry my friend, you have great ambition. I have another project for you that will give you promotion. I give that ambitious person another project. People who are enthusiastic, give them enthusiastic things, but if there is something off-shelf readily available, you can shop and you better put in place. So we got things faster. Response is pretty good. The learning curve is very slow. Then there's no problem. If somebody is learning, it's very efficient. What I have to learn? Keep doing what you're doing. You use Jira, continue. I'm using HCLM, continue. That's it. There's nothing else. What difference it makes? No problem. If you have a complex problem comes, is the workflow difference. How you treat bug, what fields are there, how you treat bug here. Oh, we have a very special field called manager's priority. How does it map there? No problem. Create equivalent field there, it will map to that. That manager doesn't want to call it manager priority, they want to call it project priority. Doesn't matter, we create that, this will map to that. That mapping can be done very easily. Life became very easy. Simple as that. We could expand into the future solution. It saved a lot of money. So when you compare the number of hours spent in discussing and solving the problems, if somebody can put a number and price to it, or buying everything from scratch, okay, let everybody go to Jira, let everybody go to HP solutions. It will cost a lot of money. Instead just spending the money on that solution, ConnectALL solution, it made my life, our life much more easier. The project paid for itself within 1 year of usage. So this is it. This is my probably the final slide. These are the 3 good practices of integration. Any integration you do, these are the 3 practices, best practice. First thing is early analysis. Learn early what's the problem. If you don't learn early, it will be very difficult for you. Full problem analysis. Talk to the stakeholders. Make them understand what to expect. So people have high expectations too. Sometimes people tend to see magnified image of what you're going to do. Just bring them to reality and have an early stake. Cost saving is very important, and your license policy, how you deal with your licenses, how you share on servers, how you can save. Some of this analysis, license analysis, co-hosting, which I'm sure these companies, they will tell you what is the best way and efficient way of doing it, and do not spend time in writing unnecessary tools. That's one of the biggest and important takeaways. The success is very important. Do a good mapping, ensure the data sync, and make sure the performance is good, and you will have a lot of success. With that, my presentation completed. Any questions I can answer? Thank you. Any questions? Okay. Thank you very much. See you at the casino. Play safe. Drive safe. Thank you very much. See you again.